today? It's normal Monday. Just hang out at my couch with Lisa.
Hi.
Hi. We're actually gonna get some photos today, also with Jay. But we're actually not on my couch. We are at IKEA. So today we're gonna try to get some photos here and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can get some good shots.
And we don't get caught.
And don't get caught. Alright, let's give it a try. Let's go.
So we're trying to find a good set right now. We also have to be secretive. So we got this. Pretend like we're actually looking for something. But we're actually not.
We're like a spy.
Very interesting book. Like right under the light
So, no, you just look. What? You take this, you have one hand with this, and you say, got it? And you get this, and you say, got it?
No one can do it like you.
Alright, so far we got some pretty good shot. Now we got some like in a bathtub, we got some like in a little studio, we got like a little bookcase, everything. We got some glass. Yeah, those are really fun. So now I'm trying to find some cool lighting and get some cool lighting shots. So let's go.
Really cool.
Let's look for more. shoot. And of course, since we're here, we need to get some meatballs.
Meatballs.
Yeah, and I'm going to edit one of the photos right now, right here. So let's get to it.
So what are you doing?
Right now, I am doing color grading. So meaning making sure everyone looks like the colors I want it to be to give it some cinematic look kind of feel.
Cinematic looking.
So let me show you a little bit before. So this is after, right? This is before. After.
Oh, you made it look all colorful.
Yeah.
You added like blue in that.
I did. So this is a little bit more saturated than normally you would see on your screen, but once I export it out, it'll be so much better.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Good enough. Pretty good job.
Alright.
Ta-da! So we did it. We
did it.
shot in IKEA and we did an edit in IKEA while eating some IKEA meatballs. So I would say today was a great success. What do you think, Lisa?
It was fun. I think honestly you could do anywhere when you're Martin. So yeah, it was fun.
Alright, well, until next time. Oh, by the way, Lisa, what are your channels? How can we find you?
You can just follow me at STPeach or STPeach on Instagram.
Alright, until then, see you next time.